The cylindrical tube of a spray pump has a radius r, one end of which has n fine holes, each of radius r. If the speed of the liquid in the tube is v, the speed of the ejection of the liquid through the hole is what we need to find here. Okay, let us assume the speed of the liquid ejection through the hole is considered as v. Then, according to the equation of continuity, that's continuity equation, we have that is pi into r square v is equal to n pi r square into v, which can be rearranged this one as we need to find the value of the v. V is equal to then pi into r square v divided by n pi r square. We can rearrange this one as v into r square divided by n into r square. V r square by n r square. V r square n r square. So option C is the right answer.